ClickUp Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll go over ClickUp's features, usability, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right project management tool for you. Links to ClickUp are in the description below. ClickUp is a powerful, all-in-one project management and productivity platform designed for businesses, freelancers, and teams of all sizes. What makes ClickUp stand out is its high level of customization and flexibility. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking goals, or handling workflows, ClickUp offers a wide range of features that can adapt to any workflow or industry. One of its strongest features is its multiple view options. Unlike many competitors, ClickUp lets you switch between list, board, calendar, Gantt chart, mind map, and even a unique box view to visualize your tasks and projects the way that suits you best. This makes it incredibly versatile for different work styles and team structures. ClickUp also includes powerful task management tools, allowing you to set priorities, dependencies, recurring tasks, and automation rules to streamline workflows. The platform features a built-in time tracker, document editor, goal-setting system, and even whiteboards for brainstorming, making it a true all-in-one solution. It also offers real-time chat, email integration, and native collaboration tools, eliminating the need for multiple apps. Customization is where ClickUp truly excels. You can create custom fields, statuses, and dashboards, making it adaptable to virtually any industry or team setup. While this level of flexibility is great, the interface can feel overwhelming at first, especially for beginners. The learning curve is steeper than simpler tools like Trello or Basecamp, but once set up properly, ClickUp becomes an incredibly powerful workspace. ClickUp offers a generous free plan with core features, while the paid plans unlock more advanced options like automations, unlimited integrations, and advanced reporting tools. Overall, ClickUp is an excellent choice for teams that need deep customization, robust task management, and an all-in-one work platform. If you're looking for a feature-packed alternative to Asana, Monday.com, or Notion, ClickUp is worth checking out. Links are in the description if you want to try it. Thanks for watching.